Hey guys, Ian here with Redline to show you a new tool that we've started carrying. This is a rolling portable pressurized soda blaster. I just did a video a minute ago about one of our little handheld soda blasters. This is the larger unit. Wanted to just show you a couple of the features of it and then demonstrate it. So the unit holds 7 gallons of material, rolls around on this little cart here. You got a valve up here on the top. Let's see if you can see that. A butterfly valve up here on the top, and you control turning it on and off there. You have a pressure release valve right here. You have another little valve that you can turn right here that controls your media flow. And on the back side of the unit, you have a pressure regulator, on off, a water separator, feeds your air right into it there. I've already filled it up with about 10 pounds worth of media, and so just going to show you guys how it operates, and let's do it. And I'm going to start by putting on my 3M respirator to keep from breathing any of the soda. I should add, the respirator does not come with the unit. We sell these as accessories on our website for all kinds of media blasting. And there we have it, guys. I have blasted all of the paint right off of this hydraulic cylinder. The interesting thing here is that I have blasted this shaft, and it hasn't really altered the surface of the metal like it would if it were a sandblaster. It's not pitted. It's still nice and smooth, so it naturally should seal up. So that's our new outdoor pressurized soda blaster. You can get it on our website, redlinestands.com. Thanks for watching. Almost forgot, do click on the subscribe link at the bottom of the page. Give us a subscribe on YouTube. We post informational videos all the time that you guys will hopefully find helpful. Thanks.